How's it going? In this video, you will learn how to add a custom tool or a procedure as a custom tool inside your Cortex agent. Let's get started. This is what your Snowflake's homepage looks like on a normal day. On the left hand side, you will see AI and ML in the menu, and then there are Cortex AI offerings. The second one is agents. Click on that and you will be on the agents page. So all agents will list out all the available agents, or the agents that have been created by you, or the agents that you have access to. This is the tutorial agent that we created in one of the last videos. So if you want to learn how to create an agent from scratch, then do not forget to watch that one. I'll click on this tutorial agent, and currently if we look into tools, the web search is disabled. Cortex Analyst, there is no Cortex Analyst model added yet, no Cortex search service added yet, and no custom tools added yet. So Cortex Analyst is a Cortex Analyst service, that analyst model you need to create on your own, and then you can add that as a Cortex Analyst tool for your agent. Next one is search service, that also need to be created, and you can add that as a Cortex search service tool. And custom tools include UDFs and procedures that you can add as a tool for your agent. So currently I have a custom tool as a procedure created for myself, and that is what I'm going to add. To add any tool, you first need to start editing your agent. So click on this edit button. Once you click on edit, you will be in the editor mode and can make any changes to the agent. The second tab just beside about is tools, and here are all available tools. This pre-trial account allows you to toggle this on or off, allows to use web search for up-to-date answers. That means it has capability to search through web and provide you an up-to-date answer for your prompt or question. The next thing is Cortex Analyst. We do not have any Cortex Analyst semantic view or semantic model as of now, so yeah, I'm not showing how to add it. We'll also not demonstrate how to add a Cortex search service, but that is similar. If you have one created for yourself, then you can go and add it. And the last thing is custom tool, that allows us to add procedures or functions as a tool. To add a procedure, select database and schema. So for this demo, I'm selecting cortex_db as a database, and then public as a schema. Once you select database and schema, beside that there is a drop down that allows you to select a custom tool identifier. That means any custom tool as function or procedure. It allows a custom tool as a procedure, function, or table function. So you can have one of the three as your custom tool, and then select the particular tool to use. This tool basically is a procedure that uses AI translate to translate from English to French. I'll give it a name. It translates from English to French, and that's why the name. You can use generate with Cortex to generate the description for your custom tool. Okay, it is not allowing me to create a description using Cortex, but essentially that is how it works. You click on generate with Cortex, and it generates and writes down description for you. It has auto picked the parameter that we pass to the procedure, that is sentence is a string type parameter that we pass to the procedure. It only allows three different types of data types, or three different types of parameter one is string, other is number, and the last one is boolean. So you cannot pass a variant type parameter as an input to your procedure. That is something that you need to keep in mind while dealing with procedures as a custom tool. You can add parameter from here, but if your procedure doesn't accept any more parameters, then you will not be able to add it. And lastly, sorry, I think it still allows to keep you adding the parameters, but these are useless. Procedure just accepts a single parameter, so adding multiple parameters that doesn't make any sense. We have a single parameter that is required, so this tick is marked, box is checked. And lastly, the add step. Now under the custom tools, you will be able to see the procedure that we just added. The name that was provided is translate en to fr. Procedure name is the actual procedure name that we have created into that database and schema. There are a few orchestration rules that you can define for your agent. You can set the model to auto or whatever other model that you like to. I'll keep it on auto. Orchestration instructions, we can say that to perform translation from English to French, strictly use the procedure and return the output from the procedure. Do not try to translate on your own. So that is an orchestration instruction that we have provided explicitly to restrict our agent from performing the translation on his own by using his model. So by explicitly mentioning this, user will go to the procedure and return the output what procedure returns. Then the response instruction allows you to set some tone or in a way that your Cortex agent should be communicating with the user. So keep a professional tone, something like this. You can provide time limit and token size to the agent, and that's pretty much it. The access, you can add a role to provide access to some specific instance user, or you can remove someone from here, going back to the about section. And once you're done with every change that you wanted to make to the agent, you can click this save button and everything will be saved. So the changes are saved successfully. Going back to the agents page. Now I can probably access the agent or the updated agent from Snowflake instance. So my newly created agent, tutorial agent, is selected here. You can select your agent from this agents tab and then just click on the agent that you want to interact with. Currently the agent that I wanted to interact with is already selected, and this plus icon allows you to see all the tools that are available. So agent sources, and then it has been set to auto. That means no specific tool is selected for now, and I can definitely select this custom tool if I need to. So agent source is currently a custom tool, or we can always keep it at auto select sources. And now we can query, can you perform translation? As this is a free trial account, this should fail, but I just want to show you how it works. Yeah, it says access denied for trial accounts. But in ideal conditions, it will be able to ask you what sentence you want to translate from English to French, and then it will perform the translation. This is how you add tool to your Cortex agent. Hope it provides a clear demo on how to achieve this thing. If you like the video, consider subscribing the channel, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.